Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Nectar Bath Treats, and this is called the Treat Me Bath Bomb. It's from their brand new line from this little girl that's a YouTuber, and it's called Like Nastya. And some of the bath bombs have kitty rings, and they're so cute. So as soon as I dropped it in there, you could tell it's a very fast fizzing bath bomb. And I thought it smelled a little bit like grape soda, even though that is not the fragrance notes. It's supposed to smell like cranberry pear Bellini. And maybe because it smelled fruity and was purple, it's like tricking my brain into thinking it's like a grape scent when really it wasn't. But either way, it did smell good. And I did order, I think 3 in total that have rings. Then I ordered just a regular cat bath bomb, and it doesn't come with anything. But I will be doing demos on all of those so that you can see what the jewelry looks like. I don't think I've ever seen bath bombs with kid-size rings in them. You can't pick a size, but the one that came in this one says it's a 2.5. And it's kind of adjustable because it doesn't quite connect, so you can squeeze it tighter if you need it to. So the water just had like a pale purple color to it. And here's the adorable little ring. I think it's so cute, and my daughter loves cats, so she was really excited for this. There's a clear diamond-like stone on one side, and then the cat's face. And I did ask her if she wanted to model it on her little hand. So she's 4.5, and it did fit her. Please excuse her nails. She immediately picks off nail polish, so she will never let me give her nice manicured nails rather. But if you guys are interested, I do have a promo code below. I'm not sure that it works on this collection since it's a collaboration, but if there's anything off their website that you'd like, it will work on that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.